How to set up shipping labels on Bigcommerce easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find it. First open your browser and now click settings here and then scroll down until you find shipping, or if you can't find it just type here shipping and click on it. And here you will find shipping labels. Now click setup. Now just manage all of those here and then click create account. And that's it, it's easy. Then just keep managing it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.